This is boring and time-wasting. Today, we are ditching our old screwdriver and upgrading to a new electric cordless screwdriver. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unbox and review Topshak TS ESD2 model cordless electric screwdriver and get to know about this amazing tool in detail. First, let's see the packaging of Topshak TS ESD2. The package comes in a nice white and orange colored box. Inside the box, you will get an instruction manual that will tell you everything you need to know about this thing and how it works. You will get a warranty card with 12 months of warranty. This is the main body of the screwdriver. It looks premium in black and orange color. Build quality is nice, easy to hold and lightweight. This is the brand logo, Topshak Cordless Screwdriver. A USB 2.0 charging cord is given for charging this tool. This is a 32-piece wide variety of screwdriver bit set and an extension piece. Also, a flexible shaft is given. Topshak electric screwdriver has so many features and is easy to work with one hand. This screwdriver is fitted 3-handle position adjustable spindle lock so that you can bend the screwdriver or flex it 120 degrees to 180 degrees. How you need it. Press the orange lock button to rotate the body. Can be twisted and become straight to access narrow spaces and work in different orientations. This Topshak cordless electric screwdriver has both the front and rear LED flashlight, so you can see in those hard-to-reach places. The flashlight feature is cool. It has 4 LEDs around its head. It lights up the area very brightly. If you are working in a dark place or without light, it can be really useful. The rear light can be used as a flashlight to illuminate a larger area. Just turn on the flashlight button to on your rear light or pull the trigger to activate the light on the front of the drill. The power tool is convenient for USB charging. It's a charging port for charging, and the charging indicator red lights up when charging. It has a 3.6 volt inbuilt lithium-ion battery. Here is the on-off trigger switch, a nice big button. The tool has a keyless magnetic chuck where you enter the screw bits. You can also rotate the torque adjustment ring to adjust the torque gears 6+1 up to 220 RPM speed to provide more precise control of screw driving. The screwdriver has push rod forwards and backward buttons here, so it has a lock in the middle for selecting the direction of rotation. For tightening or insertion screws, use forward clockwise rotation. For loosening or removing screws, use reverse anti-clockwise rotation. Install the extension cord flexible shaft. Helps you deal with all kinds of dead ends around the corner easily, which are difficult to reach. You can bend it or flex it how you need it. Let's see, tighten some screws and test this screwdriver. Cordless electric screwdriver, ergonomic gun trigger shape that fits easily in your hand for a firm grip and precise control. Has 34 pieces of screwdriver bits accessories, which means you can use any drill you need. The power tool fits your hand perfectly. You can get greater control with a better feeling of grip to assemble faster and easier than other tools. You can work with it for many situations, such as furniture assembly, electrical repair, home improvement, DIY projects, toy repairing, etc. So, this is the review of Topshak's TS ESD2 Cordless electric screwdriver. You can visit our website for details information about that. If you think this video is helpful to you, you can like and share. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Thanks for watching. Bye.